Hi there, students. Inception. Inception. The inception is the beginning of something, the creation or establishment, particularly of an institution or of a longer-term activity. So the birth, the commencement, the origin, the germination of something. So since the inception of this charity, it has always tried to help young people. The inception of this channel was nearly 10 years ago. Now, I was thinking about the example of since the inception of this video, well, it's clearly not when I press the button and the camera comes on. The inception of this video is when I say, okay, I need to make a video. What am I going to make the video about? And maybe I look through my comment section and I think about interesting words that I might have noted down, and that is the inception of the video. I then think about what I'm going to say, etc. Okay, so inception, though, it's a longer term process, particularly the inception of a company, of an organization, of a body. I don't know, the inception of a country. Oof. When did this company originate? When did it first begin? Okay, so inception, the beginning of something. The inception of the company was an idea that two businessmen had, and they decided to work together. Okay, so we have this word, inception, a noun. It comes from Latin, incipere, to begin, so that's nice and easy. Now, your next question, how formal is this word inception? Well, I think it's reasonably formal. I'd probably give it something like a 7 out of 10 in formality. Yeah? I wouldn't use this in an informal conversation. I think I'd just use the word to begin, to start, something like that, from the birth of something. I think inception is more a word to use in something that is semi-formal or very formal. And it's a noun, okay? So, inception, the beginning of something, particularly an organization, a group, but it could be an activity as well. So, there you go, inception. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Inception.